Today we are going to do a short, challenging workout from a lunge position. My goal in stringing together a bunch of individual movements is to target your body from the bottom to the top. So we'll hit everything from the mobility and the alignment of your toes, how you stabilize at your ankles and track your knees. We'll strengthen all the muscles around your hips and pelvis, and then keep a focus on alignment and posture of your upper body, including just a little arm movement as well. When you are setting up in the initial lunge, treat it like a traditional gym style lunge where you bend both of your knees. We're going to try to begin in a vertical posture, and the legs will be parallel. So leave just a bit of space in between them. It shouldn't feel or look like you're walking on a tightrope. I'm going to do the rest of the workout sideways so you can see all the action. From a staggered stance with your back heel off the ground, lower yourself into a comfortable depth of a lunge because you'll be here for a little while. Now you can place your hands on your hips for right now. You can hold your arms out to the side to help your balance a bit more, or start close to a wall and just put your hand on it if you need a little balance support. In that lunge, I'm going to have you alternate between lifting your toes and then lifting your heel on the front foot. Lifting your toes, lifting your heel. Without leaving a huge pause, make sure each step is distinct. Toes up and down, heel up and down. Let's do 3 more rounds. And 2. Just one more time. And now bring your attention to your back leg. Extend your back knee to push your heel down and bend the knee to lift it up, and just keep repeating that. If that strains your low back, tip forward just a little bit until that goes away. Otherwise, you can just stay vertical. Hold your heel down the last time. We're going to alternate feet now. So I'm going to have you lift up the heel on the front foot. You're going to lift your back heel as you drop your front, and then switch. We call this running in place. Challenge yourself to stay in the same depth of your lunge with your hips as level as possible. And 2, and 1. All right, get that front heel down. Next, we're going to transfer from a regular lunge into a fencer's lunge by extending the back knee. So I want straight line, head to that back foot. Flex your knee to return, extend the knee to reach forward. Imagine yourself really as a plank, your hips to your head, all move in unison, staying in line with that back leg. 3 more. And 2. Reach the weight into that front leg and up. All right, drop back into your lunge. Now, pulse down and up. Again, stay in a comfort range, but emphasize a deeper bend in that back leg. All right, we're going to go into a knee driver. Back to your fencer's lunge. You're going to lean forward. Now I'm going to have you extend your arms overhead to just further increase the length of that plank you made. Drive your back knee up as you swing your arms down. Come to vertical. Return to fencer's lunge. Lifting up and dropping down. So keep the swing of the arms in rhythm with your movement. Try to lift your chest up and press those arms back. Last 2. And 1. All right, take it back to the regular lunge. Come on up to your staggered stance. Let's do a regular set of lunges. So we'll go arms overhead so you still feel that taller posture. And then just bend and straighten your knees. You are just going to flush the muscles out here. I just want to get a big, smooth movement. We're getting close to the end of this leg. And 2 more. All right. Now I want you to come back into your lunge. Let's go from our lunge, take a forward step to stand up, step back into lunge, and just keep repeating that same leg over and over again. You're going to use the floor. Feel it, press off of it, and step forward. 3 more times like that. And 2. Keep doing this, but add a knee driver on the next one. So we're going to go down, drive the knee up, swing those arms again. And give it into the floor, propel yourself up. You have 4 more. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Ooh, could you hear me sucking wind a little? Let's turn around. Yeah, I'm sucking wind for the rest of the workout. Let's just admit it. Find your staggered stance with the opposite leg back. Did you have to turn around? I don't really know. I had to turn around. All right, drop down into that lunge. Find your balance holding that. Let's take it back to the beginning, isolating your front foot. Pick up your toes, put them down, lift your heel, drop it down. Toes up and lower, heel up. Keeping the level hips. And also there's a little bit more coordination. If you feel like you're a little fumbly with the toe lift, don't be surprised. I keep trying to pick up my knuckles. And I want you to keep that extinct, just the toe extension, then the heel. You have 3. Plus every time I look towards the camera, I almost fall too. And up. One more time, toes up, heel up, and down. All right, that back leg. Just pushing to the heel on the floor, the heel to the floor, and then bending your knee. Remember, you can always tip forward if you need to a bit. This should give you a nice calf stretch on that back leg. And 2 more times. Let's finish with it down again. You can set up that front leg by lifting the heel. Now we run in place. One heel goes up as the other goes down. Sorry guys, gotta look forward again. Okay, so just keep jogging it out. Make sure you're staying down in that lunge. Don't use the back leg as a reason to come up higher. Last 2. 1, get that back heel up, front heel down. And now I'm gonna go from my lunge, hinging forward into a fencer's lunge, and then pulling myself back to a regular lunge. Pushing away with the ball of the foot, pulling back with the hamstring. Reach out, pull it back in. Press away and return. Let's go for 4. Keep those abs strong. You want to feel that 3-dimensionally, just that wrap around that helps you maintain the plank and move with your hips. 1 more time. And back. Let's pulse down. Okay, emphasizing that crease in the knee. Lifted chest, open shoulders, and freeze there. All right, give me fencer's lunge, sorry, my bad. Arms up, knee driver. Knee goes up as the arms go down, return to that fencer's lunge. Lift and drop. Give it a little power and release. 4, you're halfway there. High chest. 3, 2, and 1. Flush it out. All right, back to your lunge. Arms still lifted. Rise and lunge back down. Just full range of motion of a normal lunge. There's the breath again. 4 more times. I hope you're breathing. 3, not as hard as me. 2, I don't want that for you. And 1, drop down. All right, just stepping forward. So I'm going to come up, step back lunge. Now back to that relationship of how you hit the ground and how that affects how you come back up. So give in to it to spring off of it. Down and lift. Last 2. Next one has that knee driver back. Finish it strong. We lunge, lift the arms with a swing. Lower the arms, you lift the knee, I meant. And up, drop down, lift. Let's go through 4. Make sure you're still bending that back knee. Dip it down. Last 2 and 1. Whew. That killed me. All right. Hope you had fun. See you later.